Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography and operates independently of a central authority like a government or financial institution. The most famous example is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies with various features and purposes. Cryptocurrencies are characterized by decentralization, often using blockchain technology or similar distributed ledger systems. This decentralization enhances transparency and reduces the ability of any single entity to control or censor transactions. They enable peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, facilitating faster and more secure transfers of value globally. Cryptocurrencies can also function as a store of value and sometimes as a medium of exchange. However, cryptocurrencies face challenges such as price volatility, regulatory uncertainty, security vulnerabilities, e.g., hacking, and environmental concerns due to energy-intensive mining processes in some cases. Cryptocurrencies have generated significant interest and debate for their potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and provide new opportunities for innovation and financial inclusivity.